Are you annoyed with the Vcomp90.dll failure blocking your code instructions? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's restore that vital system connection right now. As we prepare to resolve Vcomp90, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This DLL file is the Microsoft OpenMP Runtime Library for Visual C++ 2008. It manages the execution of parallelized code sections, improving the performance of scientific and computational software on Windows. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Vcomp90. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like the Vcomp90.dll. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing the Vcomp90 dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing the Vcomp90 from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.